of RCB Stampede celebration incident, we have received about 18 patients and 6 dead bodies. All 6 dead bodies, we have received as brought dead. So, among 18 patients, so most of the patients taken, 8 patients taken outpatient treatment and they went to home happily. And other 10 patients we have admitted for observation. Among 10 patients, 3 patients were the orthopedic patients. They have sustained fractures of both bones of the leg. So we are preparing them for surgery today. And other small injury cases, about 7 cases, almost they have discharged. One boy is by name Bilal. He is taking treatment at the pediatric ward. He has got some right eye subconjunctival hemorrhage. He is under treatment. I have told our ophthalmologist to take care of that patient. So within 1 or 2 days he will become all right. No, right now there is no problem for vision. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I am going to discharge that patient also.
Sir, when the victims had come in, when there were people who had injured had come in, what was the kind of reaction that given? Because definitely the situation there was very intense. What did you observe initially?
So
your initial observation, sir.
All patients which I was received yesterday, I was in the headquarter, I was in the casualty. So most of them were restless, irritable, they were highly anxious, parents were anxious, people anxious, public are anxious. So we have made all arrangements, we got all doctors, we have taken all doctors from the different departments to casualty. So we are very much scared and also we felt very bad about that incident and we have rushed to the patients, we have whatever the treatment required, whichever the patient on priority basis we have given proper treatment.
There were politicians